In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a Huddle link in Slack so you can quickly invite teammates to join your conversation without any confusion. This is extremely useful if you're working remotely, jumping between channels, or need to share a live audio or video discussion with someone fast. Whether you're new to Slack or have been using it for years, this small feature can save you a lot of time. Before we dive in, if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Slack and make sure you're logged into the workspace where the huddle is happening. From the left sidebar, navigate to the channel where you want to start or share a huddle. This can be a public channel, a private channel, or even a direct message, depending on how your team communicates. Once you're inside the channel, take a moment to confirm you're in the correct place, because the Huddle link will be tied to that specific conversation. Next, look toward the top right area of the channel. Here, you'll see several icons and options related to channel settings and actions. Find the More Actions button, which is usually represented by 3 dots. Go ahead and click on that More Actions button. This will open a drop-down menu with several different options related to the channel and its features. After the menu opens, look through the available options until you find the section related to copying information. In this section, you'll see an option labeled Copy Huddle Link. Click on Copy Huddle Link, and Slack will instantly copy the Huddle link to your clipboard. There won't be a big confirmation message, but the link is now copied and ready to share. Now that the Huddle link is copied, you can paste it anywhere you like. You can send it in another Slack channel, drop it into a direct message, paste it into an email, or even add it to a calendar invite. Anyone who clicks that link and has access to the workspace will be able to join the Huddle instantly, making collaboration fast and seamless. One quick tip here is to make sure you only share the Huddle link with the right people. Since Huddles are tied to channels and workspace permissions, only members with access will be able to join, but it's still a good habit to double-check before sending the link out. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to copy a Huddle link in Slack in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Slack tips, productivity hacks, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.